You're now listening to the 7-6 Collective.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy 7-6. We're back with another video today. So I've been getting requested a lot lately to redo or kind of make another Larry June tutorial for you guys, so I'm gonna do that today. I've been getting hit up a lot too about where I find these samples for their kind of like that Larry June, Jay Worthy, type of sound. And I'm gonna kind of, before I jump into actually making a beat, I'm gonna show you guys what kind of samples you guys should be looking for, and yeah, pretty much just the style, where Larry June samples most of his stuff from. So yeah, first things first, we're just gonna jump straight to YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube. So Larry June, Jay Worthy, let's see who else, Curren, pretty much anybody, all those kind of rappers, they all rap on like oldie samples, soul samples, and like 80s funk, post disco samples. So kind of what I do when I'm making these kind of beats is I'll just go on YouTube and just go through samples and then find something, until I find something that I really like. So I'm just gonna go through one of these playlists that someone random put through or put up. You could just go through here and you can just like sample search. It's like crate digging pretty much. You could just go through these samples and just find portions of the song that you actually like and sample it, and if it sounds similar to what Larry June or Jay Worthy or whoever raps on, then use it, make your beat. But this is pretty much where I find my samples. There is really no right or wrong way to do this, guys. Like, just find whatever you guys like to listen to or whatever, and you could sample it. I mean, that's the best kind of advice I could give. There is no specific type of sound because these guys rap on what they like, so yeah, so like I was saying, I mean, these post disco, you can just literally search up post disco on YouTube and you'll find a bunch of like old school 80s songs, and they're all really groovy, and you can sample something. Here, I'll just play this song real quick just to see if we can find anything that we could hear Larry on. Yeah, so maybe even if you slowed that down a little bit, I mean, you could throw some West Coast drums over that, and bam, you got yourself a Larry June slapper, But yeah, so that's the quick little, that's kind of how I quickly wanted to show you guys how I find my samples. Really, you just gotta spend time and crate dig. There ain't no right or wrong way to do this. Just spend time finding samples that you like, chop them up, and load them into FL, whatever you're using, and start cooking. So I think now we're just gonna jump straight into the beat now. Alright, y'all, just for the sake of not having a super long tutorial, I went ahead and just got a sample, not a sample, what the hell am I saying, a sample, and I chopped it up. I'll play that for you guys just so you guys can hear the groove we're going for. I'm making this beat kind of pretty much just for like Larry June and Curren and Jay Worthy if they were all on a single track. So I'll play that sample for you guys real quick so you can hear where I'm going with this. Now, as you guys can tell, the sample was super like real smooth. It's just got really percussion and very light melodics in it. So these kind of samples are good because then you can kind of add a lot of your own personal touch to them, and that's kind of what we're gonna do today. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into this. First things first, I'm gonna drop my BPM down into the 90s. I'm going for like I want a real bouncy type beat. So I'll go for like a 93. I'm gonna time stretch my sample, and then we'll play that now. You see, the sample does most of the work. I mean, you don't really gotta add too much extra. I'll probably throw like a bass line in there because this has got a lot of a lot of highs and not a whole lot of lows. So I'll throw my own personal bass line on there. I'm probably gonna open up Purity for this. Alright, and we'll just go to the presets option. We're gonna go to bass synths, and I'll just get like, let's see. That works. We'll do that bass. And now we're just gonna find the key of the sample really just by playing in keys up in the higher octaves, just so we can see how it matches up with the actual sample. Now I'm gonna drop this into the playlist. Just a nice little basic bass line. Now I think we'll just jump right into the drums. Let's see, we'll go to my kit, the essential kit right here. We're gonna go to just get that clap real quick. And you see how the sample has that percussion already? It adds like an extra little effect to the whole beat. It just adds like so much more to it. It gives it life, you feel me? I'm listening to that cowbell really don't fit in too good now, but I mean you could add it to your beat. I think as far as drums, we got pretty much everything. I mean, you could add an additional lead into this. I was thinking probably even like a little whistle or something. Let's go to simple sign real quick. Oh, my mouse is tripping.
Bruh.
Wow. Yo, my bad, y'all. Technical difficulty. My mouse just died, but I fixed it. So I'm back to what I was doing. So we're putting in the lead. This is just an additional type thing. You really don't gotta add it if you don't want to. It's just, just to show you guys your option with the sample. And we're just going off of our kind of root notes that we found for the bass line. I'm probably not gonna add that lead in there just because I'm not feeling it anymore. But this is pretty much the whole little beat, just with the sample. Real smooth. See, there ain't even that much into it. That's all you really need for these kind of beats. I just got that main sample. It does kind of all the work, and then you just add in the additional drums, and you got yourself, a Larry June, Curren, Jay Worthy type beat. And that's really all it is to it. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, feel free to leave a like, comment, share. We'll keep dropping these kind of videos. You guys want to see them, leave them in the comments. We'll do it. Probably gonna end up dropping a Mozzie, like kind of a Mozzie type beat tutorial next for the next video. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for me. If you guys want to follow me on my social medias, I'll have them linked on the video and in the description. And yeah, we're just gonna keep bringing these videos for you guys. Let us know what you guys want to see. Drop in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.